In this class we will learn how to create circular and rectangular copies on solid models, features that greatly streamline design in Inventor. To get started, open the available file. Now, in the Pattern panel, let's activate the Rectangular Pattern command. See in the open box that we can create repetitions of operations or complete solids. In our case, we will repeat an operation, then we keep this option selected and click on the shown rectangle. Next, we must select a reference line for direction 1 and another for direction 2. In Flip we modify the direction of repetition. In this field we define the quantity of copies, and we will create 2 in direction 1 and 6 in direction 2. In this field we define the distance between the copies, which for both directions will be 15 mm. We confirm and have the created rectangular pattern copies. Now let's look at how to create copies in circular pattern by activating the command circular pattern. Note that we can also repeat operations or solids, and in our case it will be the operation of the whole, so we click on it. Next, we must select the axis of rotation, which can be a cylindrical face or a reference axis. In this case, we expand the folder origin and click on the Z-axis. We have the preview displayed and we can change the direction of rotation by clicking Flip. In this field we define the number of copies and here we define the angle for the placement of all copies. We set up as shown and confirm. View the copies created following the circular pattern. We finished this lesson, where we learned how to create circular and rectangular pattern copies for solid models.